In this video, I'll be showing you how you turn off notifications from the Pinterest app. It's simple and easy. To do that, you hop on your Pinterest app like that, and you see there's my account here. I move to my profile here, and then on my profile, I tap on the three bars, top right corner of your screen. Just tap on that there. Good. And now you move to your settings here, and on the settings, we tap on notifications here. And now you can see all these things here. You can just glance through and turn off the notifications. So let me do a simple one for you guys to see. So let's do this for reactions. So I open reactions here. Push notifications are the ones that appear here, and in-apps are the ones that are going to appear at your app's notifications. Just turn that off, and you turn notifications off. You get me? Yeah. So that's it. And you glance through profile, viewers, and followers. Do the same thing. And even for emails too, you see this is for push. That's the ones that appear in here. And then email, you see Pinterest, they send a lot of emails here. You turn that off too as well. So that's it. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.